Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the new Wooden Birds record. It came out a week ago on June 7th. And I actually don't know too much about the band. I don't have their first record, but I saw that this was coming out and I decided to go ahead and get it. I've heard their first, I listened to their first record and I previewed this one. And was looking for some new music, so I decided to just go ahead and get it. Amazon, I bought it on Amazon, and the good thing about them is that, the past probably 3 or 4 months, probably longer than that, every record I've gotten has been in a mailer like this, and so the record stays pretty well protected. A couple times in the past, this must be a year ago, they would send them in that huge box with just the record alone in it. And we would get some bent corners sometimes, but now they send it in these mailers, and they're usually in, I'd say, perfect condition when they arrive. Oh. Oh. Yep. So, here it is. It's pretty snug in here. I actually can't really get it out. So here's the record. They're under Barsuk's label, so they actually do have the download code, so you can download the MP3s of the whole album, which is really great. So you don't have to buy both the either the MP3 version or the CD as well as the vinyl. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And it seems like it's just pretty simple, where it's just the record and maybe just the liner notes here. So here we go. We have the liner notes. I'll put this down. Just a simple card with all the lyrics on it. Handwritten looking. And the record with the download code there. Just side A and B. And just on black, simple.